Everyone, my video is rather late this evening because I was busy today. Finished up another batch of the low bean chili in the freeze dryer. That's there's 8 bags of chili. There's 2 cups and a cup and a half, 4 of each of those. I did the baking cocoa that I got at Aldi the other day, so I did those in 2 and 4 ounce packages. I just like to have different sizes available, and then 8 ounce packages. Finished up the popcorn. Previous video, I think you should see that I had 8 ounces and 4 ounces. I like 2 ounces because that's probably all you would want to pop at one time anyway. I had only 1 ounce total of oregano leaves. Only a ½ ounce fits in the same package that an ounce of Italian seasoning fits in. And this year I'm definitely going to grow more oregano. I did the chili powder that I got at Ollie's. Got most of the rest of the spices at Ollie's with my 15% off coupon. And Ollie's is a great place to buy spices also. It's my second favorite place to get spices. The garlic and herb seasoning in a 2 ounce package. The minced onion. The granulated garlic, as well as the cayenne pepper. And the red pepper flakes I did in 4 ounce packages. I did that because most of my other red pepper flakes are in 2 ounce packages. And you can see these bags like that on the side are the ones that I make myself. I cut some bags down from larger sizes, like my spices and the popcorn. That's actually cut down from one of these larger bags. It's less expensive to buy one large bag and make it yourself if you have the time. If not, then you just simply don't and just buy the larger bag. And this is a ½ gallon bag. And alrighty, I think this is a gallon bag that I was actually able to cut into 3. So that's it. That's what I prepped today. Let me know in the comments, what did you prep today?